At Age UK Norfolk, we're working hard to make Norfolk a great place to grow older and stay connected. With this in mind, we'll be bringing you some tutorials on how to use your devices, including mobiles, tablets and laptops. So keep an eye on our website, socials, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page so you too can stay connected. To use WhatsApp, you will need to download the application through your Play Store or App Store. The people you wish to communicate with will also need to have WhatsApp installed on their device. To use Facebook Messenger, you do not need to have a full Facebook profile. You can download the Facebook Messenger application from your Play Store or App Store. When someone calls or messages you through Messenger, you will then see them appear and will be able to click onto them to message or call back. When using Zoom, the person who set up the meeting will send you a link invite. This can be sent via email, text, or through social media messaging. You can then click onto the link to join the call. Please make sure before you click onto any links that you know the person who has sent them. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of our videos and share with your family and friends so they too can get connected with Age UK Norfolk. And together, we can make Norfolk a great place to grow older.